So you have to keep this in mind. T bar is n times Ti bar. So from this, when this subscript I is there, this indicates for each tank. So T1, T2, T3, T4 and so on. So like n tanks you have, and Ti is equal to Ti are equal. That means T1 is equal to T2 is equal to T3 is equal to Tn. So n times Ti is simply this mean residence time in the system of n tanks in series. This we have defined. So this dimensionless time theta is T by Ti bar. Okay. Ti bar is nothing but T bar by n. So this Ti bar is written as T by n. So we can write it as n times T by T bar. That means theta I is equal to n times theta. Similarly, theta if I want to write down, this is T by T bar, and T by T bar is n times Ti, n times Ti. So all this, nothing to be confused. Only keep in mind that theta, this is the dimensionless variable for time. When you write I here, this there will be I. And when subscript I is not there, this indicates dimensionless time for the system of n tanks in series. This is for individual tank, theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 and so on. Like for those, this mean residence time will be T1, T2, T3 and so on. So all these equations we have written in the 4 forms. Okay, all these for n tanks in series. So we have solved for tank 1 first, taken material balance and integrated the equation written in terms of first one C1 by C0, second one C2 by C0, third one C3 by C0 and so on. And finally we have written for n tanks. This is T bar into E for the system, Pi bar into E for individual units. This is T by T bar, and this will be naturally T by Ti bar. Raised to n minus 1, raised to n minus 1, it is there. This is n raised to n for n tanks. This is for individual. So 1. Then this e raised to minus t by Ti bar. This is for single tank. For n tanks, this is minus t into n by Ti bar. Okay. T bar is n into Ti bar that we have substituted here, and this tells us that variance is T bar square by n. N is number of tanks. That means if you find mean time and variance from RTD studies, n is equal to T bar square by sigma square. So number of tanks to be employed you can find out. Same thing, these two expressions, one for individual system and one for the total system of n tanks in series. Same thing is written for this in terms of dimensionless variables. E theta I, okay, and E theta. This is for single individual all systems. So you can E theta 1, E theta 2 and so on. And this is for total system of n tanks in series. So this we have already discussed. This is just reproduced from there. And here this theta I square is equal to n, sigma theta I square is equal to n when variance is calculated for this in dimensionless form, and variance for the system, this is 1 by n. We will use mostly these expressions. Okay. Now these are the curves. You can see this is theta. Okay. It is T by T bar or T by n times Ti bar. So this is for the complete system, and this is depends on how many number of tanks you have. Okay. So here for n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, 3, 5, 10, 20. So you can see here for n is equal to 1, almost it is spread. N is equal to 2, there is a spread. N is equal to 3, this is being narrowed down. N is equal to 5, it is still the spread is less. N is equal to 10, the spread is still less. And n is equal to 20, you can see it is narrowing down, the spread is still less. And this is E theta calculated as a function of theta. Okay, so you can plot this. This I have plotted in Excel by calculating E theta for each curve. Okay, this you can do exactly same curves you will get. So I have just placed it for comparison. So this will be an interesting exercise if you would like to do. This has nothing to do with your examination and all that. It depends on your interest. Okay, so you can reproduce this. You know, because we have derived this equation, we have found out this equation, and its validity is to be checked. So this is the only way to do it. Then this is E theta I, and for n is equal to 1, 2, 3. So this is a different kind of representation. Same thing again. This has been done in Excel. You can also calculate and you will get exactly similar curves.